There's ice outside now. Snow and ice in the mountain. In a bunch of states. Snow and ice. Cars are sliding around. I see on the Weather Channel. The chickens are hollering. Frogs. Frogs are hollering. Oh, it's cold out there. Ice on the ground now. Well, they had over 50 cars running into each other in the east. Chicken is hollering. It's cold outside. I hear you, chickens. Frogs done come in from outside because it's cold. Ice on the ground. Chicken ain't gonna lay no eggs tomorrow if it keep getting cold. Come on in, frog. I know it's cold out there. Ice on the ground. They can't stay in that cold ice water. Chicken ain't gonna lay no eggs tomorrow. I guess we're gonna have to eat bacon and sausage and pancakes. Too cold for the chicken to lay in eggs. Oh, snow on the ground. No reason a frog want to come inside. I don't blame you, chickens. Not only they can't lay eggs because it's too cold. And the frogs want to come in. Hey, frog, what brought you in here? Cold weather. Ice water out there on the ground. Normally you swim in the water there and go in some bushes. It's too cold. Ice. And the water's cold. In the east part of the United States. Look at Canada. I don't blame you, chickens. Don't lay no eggs. Too cold. Better get our heaters on. Snow is coming down in the mountain. Yeah, well, I tell you, something else. Snow cold out there. Rainy. Turning into water running off of the mountain, ice freezing up. Chicken don't want to lay no eggs. I don't blame them. I don't blame you, frog. The frog, they're cold. And the chickens, they ain't gonna lay no eggs tomorrow. It's too cold out there. Frogs done come out of the cold water where they usually go in the bushes. Too cold in those bushes out there. Be sure to keep your pets in tomorrow. In the New England and Minnesota and all those places where there's ice on the ground. And then the Weather Channel said they got a new storm coming in. What's going on? Chicken want to know too. How about you, frog? Somebody ought to know. Guess I'm going to call the Weather Channel. Find out what's going on with the weather. I know you're with me, chicken. How about you, frog? Oh, tell you, runoff water, running off from the snow and the ice, running across the street. It's cold outside. Be careful, motorists. Remember, you can slide off into a ditch. It can be flood waters. Don't get caught in no ditch. Don't even walk across the street. You might fall in a sinkhole. Cold outside. I guess I better call Al Rucker and Stephen Abram at the Weather Channel and find out what's going on. The frog want to know. The chicken want to know, and so do Leon. You want to know what's going on with the weather. All up in Canada. Half of 3/4 of the United States. What's going on with the weather? Don't care about it. Well, this is Leon. Tell you to check with the Weather Channel, Al Roker, and Stephen Abram. They'll give you some news on the weather, and we want to know what's going on. Snow all over the mountain, in the valley, in some town. People sliding up and down. Frogs come out of their paths. The chicken don't want to lay eggs. What we gonna do? I'll tell you what. Best thing to do is caught on guard. Leon saying so long. We hope we get in touch and find out what's going on the weather by the Weather Channel. This is Leon saying happy holidays. Watch out for the snow, running off water, because it can be flooding when the snow melts. Okay? Leon saying goodbye. Have a nice holiday. Bring Christmas and New Year in, and let's celebrate Easter by giving God the glory. In Jesus' name. So long, everybody. Well, Frog, you might well go back outside. It done started raining a little bit. At least we don't think we're expecting any snow soon. Southern California, home of the Sun State.